Good morning, guys. Hello, guys. Good morning. A very good morning. Mm, yeah. So today it's lagging much. So the time is like 5 dot. So waking up is not a problem. On time is improvement. Third, even though there is an improvement, but sleep has become a way less compared to um, the past. So, so that's the one thing has happened. So coming back to, let's say, let's continue with the topic first. Then we will keep on discussing about what are the stages mm, or the feedback I'm feeling during this exercise of waking up early. Cool. So yesterday we talked about the Instagrams, the insights, how to check. Today we will talk about like a major industry is like facing this problem regarding the responses. We do marketing, we do lot of things, and organic, paid in Facebook and Facebook pages and the Messenger and the Instagram. We see the responses. Maintaining the responses and dealing with the customer is always a challenge. So in Creator Studio, uh, this option is only for the admins. Admins do have the messengers, and you can message that itself. And that is a quite good feature. Instead of going in the platform or other tab to uh, access that medium to respond to the people. So when you let's go ahead with the topic of like engage with your audience through Creator Studio. How? So when you post a lot of content and manage several different pages, you have a lot of pages on top of your messaging and conversation happening around your post can be challenging. The inbox in Creator Studio helps by bringing together messaging, commenting, and more to make it easier to engage with your Facebook and Instagram audience. That means less time bouncing between apps or pages. You don't have a bounce between apps and pages, and more time actually interacting with the people. So, what you can access? You can access like a messenger, comments and reaction of Facebook, as well as Instagram. So the name itself say messenger is used for send and receiving the message of your page and even manage your automatic responses. You can also do initial automatic responses. And comments and reactions is like that particular Facebook page. See the comment and reaction people left on your post, relevant Facebook post, and the same goes for the Instagram post. So these are the responses you can. So to do this, go to Creator Studio. There is an inbox section. From that, you can access Messenger box as well as inbox for your Facebook and Instagram. So all at one place. The only thing you have to keep on changing the respective page. If you have multiple pages, mm, send and receive Facebook messages. Choose a page from the page picker at the top of your screen. To open its messenger inbox, you can only view message from one page at a time. This is the only manual process you have to keep on doing. So there will be inbox, there will be messages, messenger, and then you will get a list of people where you can interact with it. So key do organize and take action. There are several features in the inbox that help you organize and take action on your message. So to do, select a thread and click one of the options. Hover over the icons to reveal what they do. You will be having the delete options, mark as spam, mark as read, mark as unread, flag for follow up, mark as done, assign conversations, label your conversations, and ban from your page. So you saw a three dot, that is the meaning of ban from the page. So, so it is important for the content creator to engage with your audience. With the content creator studio, now you can respond to all the comments left on the Facebook and Instagram. So you have to just click on the icon of Facebook under comments and see list all your Facebook page posts. Select to see comments and write your comment, reply or react to it, or even boost your post. And the same things you will see in the Instagram icon and comment section. Then you have to react or respond to the conversations of the post. So what is the tips? We want the content on Facebook to spark conversation and meaningful interactions between people. That's why we increase distribution for posts that inspire friend to friend or person to person interaction. To boost this kind of engagement and start meaningful conversation around your content, try inviting your audience to share their thoughts on a topic in the comment section or ask general questions. They can provide a wide range of answers. So let's talk about how to set up a automated responses. So setting an automated responses through Facebook Messenger is a great way to keep your audience engaged while also saving your so much manual times. You won't be always available to respond to the customers. So let's say hi to someone after they message you or they greet you, respond to common questions, customize message to provide quick answer to people asking for contact info or the location of the business. Ask your audience a feedback. So the default questions or the default response, you can deal with it by automatic responses. So you can also turn off this options or turn on this option. Select inboxes, then select automatic responses. Toggle any of the automatic responses on and off. After selecting an options, you should go to the blue edit message, and that's button you can see the edit message to customize this automatic response. So here you can customize things such as timing when the message is sent after being triggered. So when it should be triggered, the timing, personalization, like dynamically include personal name. So you can hi, if let's say the Rakesh saying hi, you can immediately say hello Rakesh. So that dynamically you can add that person's name. Also the timing, so when the message is sent after being triggered. So image, videos and buttons. So not all automatic responses support these multimedia options. So this is a like a good automatic response, and it's surely save your time and the basic questions, the much more hassle free uh, activity based on the initial responses, the repetitive responses. So types of automatic responses for Facebook message. So what are the types? Away messages. Respond to all incoming messages that you are not available. Timing is like set instantly. So you can schedule time of your page to keep to be away each week. Thanks for your message. We are away and can't respond at the moment. We appreciate you getting touch. This kind of message you can set immediately the moment somebody is saying that immediately you are getting this message that you are away. So instant reply. Respond to the first message someone send your page. What will be the time? Send instantly. So example, hi, thanks for contacting us. We have received your message and appreciate getting the touch. Contact information required. Respond to message that request contact info. Thanks for your message. We are away and can't respond at the moment. We appreciate you get in touch. So someone requested, then someone will request like location requested, and then you can say about that we are located in like XYZ streets, page recommended. So respond to anyone who publicly shares that they recommend your page. So you can do automatic response on that also. So that will be like a, you can if it is like responding to that kind of scenario regarding like somebody has recommended your page, so you can change the timing as sent 10 times after some time publicly share that they recommend your page. And not about that, you also do the automatic response for page not recommended. So let's say respond to anyone who publicly shares that they don't recommend your page. So the timing will be the 10-minute response times. After someone publicly shares that they don't recommend your page, so they don't recommend it and they share that publicly shared without recommendation. So you can have that kind of customized. Hi, we are sorry you had a bad experience. Please let us know how we can improve it. So this type of customization you can do. Then application received. Respond to someone who applied for a job. You can send instantly. Received your application. Appreciate your interest in working with us. Working for us. Likewise. So these are the standard automations you can do. You just have to understand like you're going somewhere away. You can have that instant reply. Then you can have instant reply for some start message. Hi, hello, greeting, contact information. You can take that contact information, location, page recommendation. If some had done that time, you have to just that won't be instantly. That will be at a time span of 10 minutes. And somebody is not recommended a page or they are not happy with the services, you can have that default messages that we are sorry and how we can improve it. Let us know. Likewise, application received, especially for the job. So this kind of repetitive things will help you by having that automated response activated. So hope you get an idea of how this automatic responses works. And it's a very simple thing. In the inbox itself you have that options. You can set it, or if you don't want, you can just you have to toggle between the on and off. On it, set the message, and off you don't want it. So that is the beauty of this, having the very good service at just less effort of setup. So that's it for Facebook. Hope you get to learn something, because whole scenario is about learning some or the other things which you have missed. You may be seeing as a user end, but you should be knowing on admin end how to do that, how you can do it. That is one thing. So let's go back to the movie section. So after um, lot of after a couple of times, not a lot of times, so I just mm, came through a movie mm, which I've seen a long back, and I guess I have seen close to 1 or 2 times. So the songs are so beautifully written, and it's like The during the college days, it always give the motivation. And most of the Indian people have heard these songs many times. So yes, the movie name is Laksh, and the movie name itself, majority of the people will be knowing the story. But then too, it's just like when you used to when at the younger age, some of the people have their goal into the mind, but some of them just like have a aimless, aimless. No aim is there, and we have a like passion of joining the Indian Army, just like that. The character has a passion to join the Indian Army on a whim, but backs out, and he finds a soldier life to be difficult. When this create conflicts with his girlfriend, he rejoins to make her proud. So this is a journey where you can see once you are once you decided something, and there is no chance of backing out. You shouldn't back out from the things you started, or else don't start on the first place. So that is what this movie teaches us. So what kind of things you get to learn from this movie? So Lakshya itself, the mm, it is a goal in this language. In the Hindi, it says Laksh. Without goal, there is no way forward. You need to know where you want to reach. Plan well to win. You should have some kind of plan to approach to complete that thing. Some or other plan should be there, and you should be persistent. Persist. The soldier persisted in their effort, which led to victory. That is a saying, and no doubt motivation. Continuous motivation. Even though you are like getting a lot of negative push, but you should be serious about your goal and keep pushing towards the goal. The self motivation should be very high in this factor. And in this movie, the guy gets motivation from the lot of rejections. So a lot of rejections do play motivation, but it is a tricky part of how you take it. It may go into the negative factors, and you lead to some other kind of problems. Instead of that, you fail. Getting fail is a good thing. You get that learnings, and you start mm, mm, standing back or getting into the positions of the or moving towards the growth. That is good. But a lot of rejections, and you should always take it mm, as a chance to improve yourself in a better way. It is easy to say, no doubt, but that's the only thing will make a difference in your life. Otherwise, you will be stuck and in the past, and it will always keep on exhausting your present, and you will start regretting over the time. So do watch this movie. It will surely help you and will get you a lot of insights about the second thoughts or second visions of viewing the life. So that's it for today. Namaste. Have a great weekend. See you tomorrow, same time. Take care. Bye bye.